So onto the risks section. I won't say risks and issues because issues and risks are essentially the same screens, but highlight overall, I can see by work group, by reporting level, by status, shows the new items within the last period. It shows how I'm performing on my closed risks. So I've got 7 items that are closed. It took me an average of 107 days to close them. And the oldest one it took to close was 250 days. There are open risks as well. There are 6 open. The average age of those is 217, and the oldest is 250. So I think I've got a bit of a problem with respect to managing open risks. Now down here, I can see where those risks are. The finance group has reported 4 risks, and the average age here is 177 days. I have a problem here that people have issued or updated risks, but have not indicated what work group is associated with those. So I might want to dig down a little bit deeper there. And again, I can see the overall trends here. Now down here, it's going to show me all of my risks. I may not want to see all my risks. I may want to just see the in evaluation ones. So here this highlights them. It also shows you in the dark color the ones that are in an evaluation per work stream. Or I may just not want to see them at all. So if that were the case, I would go in and say, don't show me the closed items. And now I can see only those which are open right now. So the other thing it shows me here is for each individual risk, it's going to give me the most recent update that I've got for those risks. And you can see that they're date stamped, time stamped, and user stamped. So this really gives me a really quick, easy way to get a handle on the various different risks. And as I said, the same would apply for issues. It's pretty much the exact same process.